I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Dirty town, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, wear that thing. Bitches
Hello everyone! We are here today at Barangay Magsaysay to interview a successful business owner that is related for technical drafting, which is printing business. So what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Hi, say good afternoon ka nang pwede mag-interview for academic purposes only.
Okay, pwede. Sige.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Dali, tayo!
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
So, mga student tuod mi sa SMSC Mainit Campus, ma'am, and kitagaan mi og task sa EC5 subject namo sa Introduction to ICT, and mag-interview mi og mga business entrepreneur nga related sa technical drafting. So, shall we start, ma'am?
Okay, sige.
Okay, so for your first question, ma'am, I need your name, age, number of years in business, business name, and business address.
Okay, my name is Vanessa Cristina Musende Fruchina. I'm 33 years old, and we will be turning 1 year in the business next month, March 2024. So our business name is Z's Digital Printing, situated at Poro Crosses to Magsaysay, Mainit, Surigao del Norte, across Mainit Central Elementary School.
And what preparations did you make before you engage in this type of business or job?
So the preparations we have made before we engaged in this kind of business is that, do we have the capacity to run the business? Do we have the resources? And also, we searched for a strategic place for the business because our target market is students. We need to kanang magpaduol gani mi sa among target market. So the business is located across a school, and then lastly is, do we have the starting capital? So that's the starting preparations we have made, and before engaging in the business, before doing the business, and katong na-complete na namo sila tanan, din na-satisfy nami sa amo ang gipangita, so nag-start na dayon mi sa business.
So, what special skills and characteristics do you have that are related with your business or job?
So the special skills that I have in this kind of business is that kanang dapat kabalo ka magbuhat sa Photoshop, and then Microsoft Office, and then the printing jobs, and then also the business is run not only ako, but we work hand in hand with my husband. So the both kami duha kabalo mag Photoshop and all the kanang computer related works, kabalo akong bana, kabalo pod ko. So mao lang siguro to. Basta ang importante is kanang isa ka characteristic when doing the business is dapat kung naa kay partner sa business, dapat mag-work hand in hand mo, or kung naa kay employees, dapat ang tag-iya is dapat na connection or good ang relationship nila sa iyang subordinate, sa iyang mga tao.
How did you solve business-related problems during the early years of your business operation?
So talking about business-related problems, so mag 1 year pa man ni this coming March. One thing na na-encounter na mo sa business is that doing the printing business is na ay mga gadgets nga paliton. So lately last month is nag-fail ang isa ka machine, amo laminating machine. So isa na siya ka business problem kay if dili nimo i-replace ang machine, so dili ka maka-render ana nga services sa imong customer. So one thing is dapat pag mag-fail in doing the printing business, tapos mag-fail na kay machine nga mag-fail, so you need a cash backup para maka-purchase ka agad sa replacement na machine if ever mag-fail man gani, or if ever mag-fail or else iayos lang gani siya. So dapat na kay cash backup para makabayad ka sa pagpaayos sa isa nimo ka machine. So kana lang so far ang na-encounter pa.
Did you follow the tips from a successful businessman or practitioner before you engage in your business?
Yes, nag-follow me as what I've said kanina nga naami ginatan-aw nga mga tutorial sa YouTube. So whatever ilang ginasulti nga mga tips or mga techniques about sa printing business, amo siya gina-apply, amo gina-try, tapos pag successful po, pag walay failure, then go lang po din.
So what business practices can you share with aspiring entrepreneurs?
Talking about business practices na pwede na ako ma-share sa uban, number 1 is that you must provide good customer service. So whatever na mo dool sa imuha, pag naimuhang nyo, makabuhat mo na dapat mo provide good customer service para mo balik pa sila sa imo. And then ikaduha, focus on the quality of your output, quality of your work. So doing the printing business, so daghan kay kag competitors within the town, within the province, within the city. So daghan na gid kayo nag-offer karon og mga printing business, but one thing is that you must diversify your offerings. So pag naa na kaing ani nga maka-offer na ka og example, kuan lang sa printing, document printing, document xerox, lamination, the next thing is mag-offer pud ka og mga t-shirt printing, mug printing, or mga souvenirs or invitation. Basta do not focus on one product lang. Diversify your offerings as much as you can.
This is the last question, ma'am. What do you think are the salient characteristic, attributes, lifestyle, skills, and traits that you made you successful in your business or job?
So the characteristics, the attributes, or the lifestyle that made us successful in our business is that number 1 is do not practice the manana habit. The manana habit is putting off tomorrow what can be done today. So in short, procrastination. So pag ma-finish na nimo ang isa ka job or isa ka project karon, kung kaya nimo matapos karon, so karon gyud nimo buhaton, kay maybe tomorrow matambakan ka og mga trabahoon. Pag ma-late ka og submit gani sa sabot ninyo sa imong customer, pag na-late ka, dapat karon nila kailangan tapos tomorrow nimo ma-deliver. So dili na dayon to siya good customer service. Ikaduha is perseverance lang yun. Usahay sa printing business, usahay daghan kag customer, usahay wala pud kay customer within the day, usahay gamay ra pud ka og customer within the day. So sa printing business, perseverance yun ang importante, and giving up is not an option.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for rendering your time and cooperation to make this interview successful.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Guys, we're finally done in our interview. A special thanks to Mrs. Pochina for rendering her time. We learned a lot from her. Bye!